Just another quick video. I am the Caveman, and this is Caveman Creations. And today I'm going to show you how to make these crate-looking little candle holders. They're very cool. So let's get started. So I've got this little piece of scrap wood. It was a board broken in half. I've already cut out a circle out of it that I was working on a wind chime. But this is just an extra piece, and this is what I'm going to make those candle holders out of. So we're going to go and mark it at 2.5 inches. Then we'll get our square out. Mark that off. Now we'll go cut it. So now we're going to go and mark this piece out again at 2.5 and then at 5. Take our square. And go cut those two out. So now we're going to take one of these lats and we're going to mark it out at 3 inches and 5/8 right there. That's how long we're going to need it. And now I'm going to split it down I'm going to cut a section of this off. This is for the bottom of it. I already split this one down the middle, marking it out. I'll have to go and cut it now. This will be for the side rails. And these are going to be 1 1/8 inches wide. Mark that off there. Mark that there. Let's go cut it. Now I got the two pieces cut. Ran a piece of sandpaper over them just to take off the little edges and smooth them up a little bit. Now I'm going to go and mark all these out. Also at 3 inches and 5/8. Now that I have all the pieces cut and lightly sanded, I could start assembling it now, but you know me, I like to burn things. So I'm going to burn all these, and then we'll get to assembling it. Now we got all the pieces cut and burnt. It's time to assemble them. I like to put one on, get the edges lined up, and just do one nail into it. Then we can line this one up. Make sure it's flush on all the edges. Also just put one in it. Now we're going to go put the other side in. Same thing, just one. I'll square it up. We can put in the rest of the nails. Now we'll do the sides. Do a bottom one first here. Just want to line up all your edges. do one at the top. And then we'll find a happy medium here in the middle. There we go. Now you can leave it like this, or you could go and paint something on the side of it, which I may do, but for this piece right here, I'm going to leave it just like that. Now the real test, does the candle fit in it? It does. Perfect. And there you have it. Little candle holder. Looks like a little crate. I've seen these online up to $25 and $30. I'm going to ask $15 for it. There's only pennies worth of wood there and just time. And it only took me probably 15 minutes to make one of these without filming. So that's a pretty good profit margin. Till the next one.